I like new things, fast things. My work is my passion. So my name is Kim Struve. I'm the CEO of Carage. Let's have a look inside what we are doing here. We do CTEK and Singer here as partnerships, mostly sell and maintain the cars. But we also do some second-hand training with Aston Martin and other exclusive cars.
So here we have some Aston Martins.
Yeah, my father was, as a young boy, already a big fan of Aston Martin. Back then, in the 60s, that was actually the fastest car you could get. So I was kind of put in my shoes when I grew up. So I changed mid-studies and went to become a car mechanic. And after my education, I went to Sweden. I worked for CTEK for a little bit over 1.5 years. No one is so detailed to their own technology, making everything themselves, trying to improve the technology in all directions at all time, from each model to model. Welcome to our workshop. We can do everything from welding exhaust pipes to manufacturing prototypes, or when we talk to our clients, we show what we know and we don't just Google something and get a little bit knowledge. No, we have the deep knowledge around the cars. In total, we almost have like 20 years of experience in our team. We can work on all models of the cars, but also quickly find small troubles and fix things. We still want to be able to use the cars at any time, but sometimes the car stands 3 to 6 months. Then it's important that the batteries are charged, that you have the voltage to crank again. We use the CS1 simply because it's the easiest to use charger. You plug in the wall, you plug in the car, and the Apto technology automatically finds out if it's a AGM or normal acid battery or even a lithium battery. It adapts to the battery directly and we don't have to worry about it anymore. The hypercars have quite small batteries and they only last for 15, maybe 20 minutes. Then they start to drop down from the 13 volts and even lower. So when we do diagnostics or service or calibrations, then we connect our Pro 120 device to always have a good voltage on the car. I have a favorite. It's the Jesko Absolute. I'm a speed freak and it should be the fastest car in the world. It's extremely powerful, but still stable and comfortable at the same time. Going up a mountain road, it's of course the excitement of a fast car. You can really be fast, but you don't have to. It's not pushing you to be stupid fast the whole time. It's always up to you. You're in control of the car. I don't want to grow further, I want to keep it exclusive and grow in that sense to always improve our service, improve the experience for the customer.